Hi everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Stripe payment. So let's suppose I am an owner of an online subscription-based fitness platform and I am handling all my payments with the help of Stripe. Now I want that whenever there is a new payment, it should be automatically added as a subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing. As I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Stripe and Pabbly email marketing. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take Stripe from where I will receive new payment, and then in my action application, I am going to take Pabbly email marketing where the subscriber will be added automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Stripe payment. For this, I have created an automation workflow with the help of Pabbly Connect between Stripe and Pabbly email marketing. And now let's quickly check this automation workflow, whether it is working fine or not. For that, I am going to open my Stripe checkout page and make a test payment from there. Now, if the subscriber is automatically being added in my Pabbly email marketing, this means the connection that we have created and the automation workflow which we have created is perfectly working fine. So let's open my checkout page. So this is my checkout page and I am going to fill some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say the email address is test@pabblytudes.com. The name is test user, address is Old Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, and phone number is this. Then I have to enter my card details and then I have to click on this pay. I have successfully made this payment and now this subscriber should be added in my Pabbly email marketing. So let's open my Pabbly email marketing. So this is the app dashboard of Pabbly email marketing. On the left hand side where I can see the subscribers, I will click on this and then I have created this list of Stripe payments. So I will open this and then I can see that I have created this test@pabblytudes.com. The name was test user. And now to see how to set up this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Pabbly email marketing subscriber on Stripe payment. For this, we are going to create automation between Stripe and Pabbly email marketing with the help of Pabbly Connect. For this, we are going to create automation between Stripe and Pabbly email marketing with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just have to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Stripe payment, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created and I want to select this all automations and then I have to click on this create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Stripe payment, which means whenever there will be a Stripe payment, a subscriber will be automatically created in my Pabbly email marketing, which means whenever there will be a Stripe payment, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So whenever a Stripe payment happens and then action says do this, then create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Stripe. And then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new charge. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Stripe, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Pabbly Connect with Stripe. So reading this help desk, I'm going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let's open my Stripe account. So this is my Stripe dashboard, and as you can see that I am in test mode. Now to make this connection, I have to go to the developers option. On the bottom left corner, I can see this developers. So I will open this, and over here I can see this option of webhooks. So I will click on this, and then I have to click on this add endpoint. Now I have to select the latest API version, which is this one, and then I have to select the event. So I have to select charge succeeded as written in this help desk. So I will write charge. So this is the event, and whenever the charge is successful, this webhook will trigger the workflow. Now I'll click on this continue, and then I have to enter the webhook URL. So this is the endpoint URL, which is the webhook URL I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. And then in the description, let's say it is testing, and then I have to click on this create endpoint. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and over here I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now over here I have added my webhook URL successfully, and now so as to check this, I have to do a test submission. For that I need to open my payment link, and over here on the left hand side I am going to make a test purchase. So over here I am going to open, this is gym222. I am going to copy this URL and paste that URL over here. Now over here I am going to make a payment, and if Pabbly Connect capture the response here in this workflow, this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Stripe and Pabbly Connect, that is successful. So let's quickly make the payment. Here let's say the email address is, here my email address is new@pabblytudes.com. My name is new user. Address is Old Street. City is Bhopal. State is Madhya Pradesh. Then this is the phone number, and I have added the card information. Now I am going to click on this pay. And here I have successfully made the payment. Now this detail should be captured in my Pabbly Connect. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and over here I can see that I have instantly received the response. The name was new user, state was MP, pin code was this, address was Old Street, city was Bhopal, and then the name is new user, email address is new@pabblytudes.com. This means as soon as I have done the payment, I have received the response here in my Pabbly Connect, and this shows the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL is successful. And now whenever someone will make the payment, I will start receiving the response here in my Pabbly Connect. Now moving on to the next step, whenever there is a Stripe payment, I want to create that as a subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing. So here in my action application, I am going to take Pabbly email marketing, and then in my action event I have to take this add subscribers. Now I have to click on this connect. Now if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then you have to enter the token so as to make this connection. So over here I am going to follow this help desk, and I am given a hyperlink over here. So I'll click on this, and then over here I am provided with the bearer token. So I am going to copy this and paste that over here, and then click on this save. So here Pabbly email marketing is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details so as to create the subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing. So I have to first select the list, and in this drop down I can see all the list. Here my list was Stripe payment. Now I have to enter the email address. So I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here as you can see that I have received the response from my Stripe, and when I click on this email I can see the Stripe, and when I click on the Stripe I can see all the response that I have received from there. Now I have to enter the email address. So the email address was new@pabblytudes.com, and then I have to enter the name. So the name was new user. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received a new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I have to click on the save and send test request. Now I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Now I need to open my Pabbly email marketing and check whether the subscriber has been created there or not. So from over here, I'll go to the subscribers on the left hand side, and then I have to click on the Stripe payment. And here I can see that I have created this new @pabblytudes.com as my subscriber. The name was new user. Now, so as to check this workflow one last time, let's quickly open my payment link again and do a test payment with some other dummy details over here. So let's say this time the email address is latest@pabblytudes.com. So here my email address is latest@pabblytudes.com. The name is latest user. Address is Old Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh. Then this is the phone number, and here I have added the card information. Now I am going to click on this pay. Now here I have made the payment, and this subscriber should be created in my Pabbly email marketing. So let's open my Pabbly email marketing and let's refresh this page once. And here I can see that I have instantly added this subscriber also, latest@pabblytudes.com, and the name was latest user. Now to summarize, we took Stripe as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We made a test payment and received the response here in Pabbly Connect, after which we moved to the next step where we wanted to add subscriber as soon as we received the payment in Pabbly email marketing. So we took our action application as Pabbly email marketing. Then we selected the list and entered the email and the name with the help of a process square mapping. Simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this user has been created as a subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing automatically. So we have successfully created automation between Stripe and Pabbly email marketing with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.